Hello guys! In this video I am going to show you how to enable updates in the My Currency Converter application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, and yes, there might be an ad that you have to wait for, and then just click on the settings button at the top of the page on the right, and at the updates section, as you can see, you can enable to refresh when the application opens, and you can also enable automatic updates, and you can set the interval for that. So just click on the white circle next to those that you want to enable. And that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.